Science can amuse and fascinates us all, but it is engineering that changes the world. The engineer has been and is a maker of history. Presenting to you the prestigious College of Gujarat, the LD College of Engineering. LD College of Engineering has drawn direction in empowering the youth with value-based education. It may seem that the life of an engineering student is fun, but the things an engineering student face can only be understood by an engineering student. Going forward, here is the map of our college. You all can clearly see block number 7, 9 and 10, where you will spend the rest of your years having funny moments and remarkable memories. The vision of our department is to achieve global standards in quality of education, research and development, training in rubber technology, and to empower the students to be leader in rubber technology. And the mission of our department are to develop industry-oriented rubber technology graduates to accept the challenges of society, teaching rubber technology knowledge through highly qualified and trained faculty in encouraging environment, creating awareness about the needs of industries and society through alumni and industry institute interactions, encouraging them to think inventively and introduce them to various research activities through advanced project works related to rubber technology, supporting them to prepare in all aspects like communication, entrepreneurship and interpersonal skills. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. Now going ahead, let me introduce to you the most lovable and supportive faculties of our department. First of all, let me introduce our Honorable Head of Department, Dr. Rupandi Desai Ma'am. Then, Anal Ma'am, Bhakti Ma'am, Sunil Sir, Nanu Sir, Priyas Sir, Priyanka Ma'am. We guys are too lucky to have so talented faculties and they are so supportive, and sometimes being with them makes us feel that we are talking to our family members. Now comes the place which is the heart of the LDites, that is the Annexa building. Here are some photos of classrooms and some labs. These are the photos of mechanical lab and mechanical workshop. Now coming to the most interesting part of the Annexa building is the back side of Annexa, as you can see in the pics done by us. Now comes the most awaited topic, that is lab facilities. In our department, we have many machines such as hydraulic press, hot feed extruder, two-roll open mixing mill, ODR, that is oscillating disc rheometer, UTM, that is universal tensile testing machine, muffler furnace, ozone environment test chamber machine, planetary mixer and many more. In our department, almost all the equipments are in working condition and you will definitely enjoy having practicals in lab. Coming to extracurricular activities done by our department, we have many activities such as industrial visits, expert lectures, and we visit many expos which are related to rubber such as Tire Expo, Truck Tire and Trailer Expo, Grand Education Fair visit, and other activities such as short-term training program for industry, tree plantation, Vikram Sarabhai ISRO visit, and many others. Another topic that is about SSIP projects. We have currently 3 projects going on. First one, rubberized pavers. Second, biodegradable packaging. Third, development of antimicrobial deproteinized natural rubber latex gloves comprising bio-inspired antimicrobial agents. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Likewise, we have so many wonderful achievements from our department. Hardik Satwara, a student of 7th SEM, has participated and won the prize for Kabaddi Tournament, National Sports Championship organized by National Sports and Physical Fitness Board. Sukanya Rathod, a student of 7th SEM, got the Co-Creation Award for Leadership and Excellence for contributing towards accessibility audit at premises for disabled people from Gujarat Technological University Innovation and Startup Center. Dakshit Soni, a student of 5th SEM, has presented paper titled Static Analysis of Automotive Wheel Rim of Different Designs in the International Conference of Smart Sustainable Materials and Technologies and published in American Institute of Physics Journal. Vishal Gori and his team from Rubber Department qualified in semi-final round Smart Hackathon 2020 under the mentorship of Professor Priyanka Chawda. Ravi Sabhaya and his team from Rubber Department qualified in semi-final round Smart Hackathon 2020 under the mentorship of Professor Anil Bhatt. Department faculties have filed total 4 patents along with students. Going to the last topic, which I think you all are so enthusiastic, that is about placement. Our department have 100% placement, and some of those companies who recruit are as follows: Apollo Tires, Seat Tires, Innovative Tires and Tube, Rubber King Tubes and Flaps, Balakrishna Tires, JC Polymers, Maxis Tires, JK Tires, Arvind Rubbers, Ami Polymers, Banco Rubber Products, Alliance Tires, Anar Tires, Parts Rubber Tech Private Limited, High-Tech Elastomers, and many more. At last, let me end video by giving credits. Video editing credits goes to Maulik Chauhan. And script editing credits goes to Soumya Rathod and Dhruv Patel. And I hope to see you guys really very soon. Till then, be healthy, stay safe and enjoy your vacation. Bye bye.